You're watching your daily pit stop show on personal finance money time. I'm Sresha Tiwari. Let's take a look at what made it to the personal finance headlines today. So we're used to paying EMIs for homes, cars and white goods. Now ICICI Bank has allowed customers to make UPI payments in EMIs. The private bank has allowed customers to buy products and services on EMIs even when they make payments via UPI. For this, customers just need to scan their QR code at shops via ICICI Bank's iMobile Pay app. They will get a time of 3, 6 or 9 months to make EMI payments. But for this, they need to satisfy two conditions. First, the cost of the product that they are buying should be more than 10,000 rupees. And second, customers who are eligible for ICICI Bank's Buy Now Pay Later scheme only can use the EMI option. Customers can buy electronics, groceries, fashion apparels. They can also make travel and hotel bookings through the EMI cum UPI route. Currently, ICICI Bank is giving this facility only on offline shopping. It will also roll out this feature on online shopping soon. After Mumbai, Apple will open its second exclusive store in India on April 20th in Delhi. Apple's first store in the country will open in Mumbai on April 18th. It will open in a Geo World Mall in BKC in Mumbai, while the Delhi store will be in Saket. Apple CEO Tim Cook will inaugurate these stores in these two stores. Customers will be guided on how to shift from Windows or Android to the Apple ecosystem. Apple's market share in India is currently 4% and India is becoming a preferred manufacturing base for some Apple products. Tata Group is all set to take over manufacturing plants from iPhone manufacturer Vistrans near Bangalore. Retail investors have been lapping up Adani Group shares after its stocks fell from sky-high levels due to the Hindenburg report. Retail investors have raised their holdings in 8 of the 10 companies of a Gautam Adani-led conglomerate in the March quarter. In an interview given to the Business Daily Mint, Mumbai-based investment company Piper Serica Advisor has said that the investment in Adani Group stocks by GQG Partners have formed a strong base for Adani shares. It has also improved investor sentiment towards the group stocks. And a delightful day for investors today. Sensex again crossed 60,000 mark, while Bitcoin on the other hand surged to more than $30,000 for the first time in the last 10 months. Talking about markets, India's equity benchmarks Nifty and Sensex closed in green for the 7th straight day on Tuesday. Kotak Mahindra Bank, Tata Steel, ITC, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Maruti, Mahindra & Mahindra and SBI led the Sensex rally. And talking about Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency surged more than 5% in the last 24 hours. Other cryptocurrencies remained buoyant throughout the day. FIIs were net sellers in India's equity market consecutively for FY23 and FY22. In fact, FY22 saw the highest ever FII outflow of 1.4 lakh crore rupees, while in FY21, FIIs had actually invested heavily here. Interestingly, FIIs have been net sellers in these financial years in which mutual funds were actually net buyers, and FIIs were net buyers in those fiscals in which the mutual funds had turned net sellers. This pattern has been noticed in the last 3 straight fiscals when FIIs sold a record of 1.4 lakh crore rupees from domestic equities in FY22. Mutual funds had actually invested a net of 1.81 lakh crore rupees in the same financial year. Similarly, in FY23, FPIs had sold equities worth more than 37,600 crore rupees. But mutual funds had turned net buyers and invested 1.82 lakh crore rupees in the same financial year. And continuing with some more insights for the retail investors, brokerage firm Arihant Capital had said that the stock market valuations in India have come down to a reasonable level. Equity mutual funds have become retail investors' preferred investment option. SIPs continue to be a popular investment method among retail investors. The recent correction in the markets has led to an increased inflow in equity funds. The brokerage house is witnessing increased buying by mutual funds into equities. Nifty's performance over the last 22 years depicts that equity is not as risky as it is said to be. Equities provide inflation-beating returns. Only 4 times in the last 22 years, Nifty has generated negative returns on annual basis. Nifty has given average CAGR of more than 12% in the last 22 years. And another news for retail investors, if you have invested in L&T mutual fund, then this is for you. Investors should take note of their investment in schemes of the group. As schemes of L&T mutual fund are being merged with HSBC mutual fund, the former has given up its registration. It will no longer roll out mutual fund schemes in future. All its schemes will be known as mutual fund schemes of HSBC. On the other hand, Aditya Birla Sun Life and Axis AMC have called off their respective NFOs. Aditya Birla has called off NFO of index fund, while Axis's NFO was an FOF. Interesting thing is that both these fund houses have called off the NFOs after completion of the launch period, as they have not got the desired response. OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G went on sale from today at a price of 19,999 rupees. The 108 megapixel camera smartphone is available on Amazon and OnePlus India website. ICICI Bank credit card holders will get an instant discount of 1,000 rupees. The phone runs on Oxygen OS 13. Other striking features include 16 megapixel front-facing camera, 5000 mAh battery, Type-C port and 3.5 mm jack. There are 2 variants of this smartphone. The higher variant is priced at 21,999 rupees, and another China-based company, Vivo, has launched 2 models under its new T2 series. The lower variant has a starting price of 18,999 rupees. Vivo has not yet revealed when these 2 smartphones will be put on sale in India. 2 motorcycles of the Kiwi brand have undergone massive price cut in India. The K300N has become cheaper by up to 30,000 rupees. Price of K300N Street Naked has come down to 2.55 lakh rupees. The K300R has become cheaper by up to 54,000 rupees. Price of K300R Sport Bike has come down to 2.65 lakh rupees. Both the motorcycles are available in 3 color options, namely red, white and black. German automaker Audi will increase price of Q3 and Q3 Sport Pack by up to 1.6% from May 1st, 2023. The company has already increased prices of Q8 Celebration, RS5 and S5 by more than 2%. Audi India head Balbir Singh Dhillon has said that rise in customs duty and input costs have compelled Audi to amend prices upwards. Audi's competitor Mercedes-Benz has already increased prices of its vehicles by 2 lakh to 12 lakh rupees across different models from April 1st this year. So with that, it's a wrap on tonight's Money Time. Take care and a good night, and keep watching Money 9.